Hello dear children, today we will be doing the lesson patterns. You have been doing patterns right from standard 1. You can see a triangle, a square and a circle, and then the repetition of the same. So this forms a pattern. You can see different type of flowers. The red flower, the purple flower, the sunflower and the orange flower. And then again it is repeated red, purple, sunflower, orange flower. And again it is repeated in the same way. So this forms another pattern. Here you can see a red bird, a blue bird, again a red bird, a blue bird and a red one. So it forms a pattern. Now here we will see the pattern with numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now when you look at the numbers in the units place, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and again you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So the pattern continues as you continue with the table of 2. Now in the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, when you look at the numbers in the units place, you can see 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So this pattern continues in the table of 5. The next one is 101, 201, 301 and so on. So here again when you look at the numbers in the tens and units place, you can see 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and the pattern continues. And in the hundreds place, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the pattern where you are giving counting in hundreds. Now look at the numbers in the D sum, that is 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Now here you can see that it is skip and count. So the numbers which are skipped from 5 to 8, that is 6, 7, 2 numbers are skipped and you get 8. From 8 to 11, again 9 and 10 have been skipped and you get 11. So here it is skipping of 2 numbers and then you write the third number as the answer. So that pattern follows. Now children, here you can see some numbers. With these numbers we are going to make a pattern. Now 2, 3, 5 and 7. When you add 2 and 3, you get 5. So we have placed 5 in the second line. Now when you add 3 plus 5, you get 8. So 8 is placed above them. When you add 5 plus 7, you get 12. So we are going to place 12 above 5 and 7. Now the same pattern continues on top of that also. So when we add 5 and 8, we get 13. So 13 is placed above them. When you add 8 and 12, you get 20. So 20 is placed above them. Now when you add 13 and 20, you get 33. So 33 is placed above 13 and 20. So this becomes a pattern. Now children, you can see the table of 9. You can see 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. When you look at the numbers in the units place, it goes backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And when you go to the unit tens place, you can see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the pattern continues from the units place from 9 to 0, and in the tens place from 0 to 9. And you look at the numbers of tens. So 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. The number of zeros keep on increasing step by step. So this also forms a pattern. So children, you will solve the exercise in the textbook. Thank you.